This home now has a healthy attic, but it wasn't that way 1 month ago. About 6 weeks ago, we got a phone call from a lady that was just in distress. They just noticed that there's these big brown spots on their drywall, water's leaking down their interior walls, and when they looked up into their attic, they saw this layer of frost up on their roof sheeting, and they just didn't know what to do. That's where we stepped in and sent one of our estimators, Leon, to go and take a look at it. This family just had an issue with high humidity and our Alberta weather going nuts all at the same time. What happens in Calgary is we get these massive swings in temperature. It's -30 one day and +12 the next day. Well, when it's -30, what's happening is your house is heating up. All that hot air is rising. And if there's like breaks or voids in your vapor barrier and insulation in your attic, all that hot, moist air travels up and it condensates on the underside of your roof sheeting. That big temperature swing happens and that condensated material, which obviously turns into frost, will melt. That melting water, if it can't evaporate quick enough, it'll leak down into the attic and find all those little holes in the vapor barrier and then just melt and drip through. Well, that was the cause of the brown stains and all the water damage in their house.
Hi everyone, my name's Ryan. I'm one of the managers here at Beyond Group. So originally we were called out to this family's home because they had extensive attic rain. This led to mold and water staining throughout the home, something that's really stressful for anybody. We actually found that there was a much bigger cause of stress in this family's life. And that is that the father was actually in the late stages of cancer. And we really did not want him or the family focusing on, water staining in their ceilings or mold in their attic. We wanted them to be able to focus on the family connection. After our initial assessment on site, I went back to the owners and I kind of told them what I saw and the situation with the family. And their answer was very clear and direct. What we need to focus on is alleviating the stress on this family.
Well, we really wanted to step up and see if we could help them out. And that's where the team got together and decided, you know what? We had just been graciously awarded a prize recently. We were down in Florida and the Spray Foam magazine had an award that we won, that the Beyond Group won. And part of that prize is Huntsman donated some material. And so we got some sets of their HeatLok Soya. And so we decided to take that material and actually come alongside and support and help out this family that is definitely not needing to deal with attic rain in this part of their lives.
Today, this family's home is all cleaned up. It is now dry, it is mold-free, and it is no longer a stress in these people's lives. And that is so heartwarming for me to know that this family is now able to focus on their family and really enjoy the last bit of time that they do all have together inside the home where they built the family in the first place. And so, yeah, it's really important to recognize that although we are in the business of insulation, we really feel that we are people helping people. We just happen to be good at insulation, and that's just where we're able to help people the best. If you enjoyed our content, we would really appreciate if you could like and subscribe. It just helps us reach more people like you that may enjoy our content and possibly maybe will need our help in the future.